Hello everyone, welcome back to Bar and Forge. It is another Monday morning tool video. Today we're going to be making a center punch. Stick around. So to make our center punch, we're going to be using a piece of coil spring. We'll take it, put a taper on it, round it all down, and then we'll take it over to the grinder and we'll put that very fine point on the end, and then we'll clean off the struck end. Pretty simple and easy, so let's get to it. All right, so to begin our piece here, we're gonna go ahead and work on the struck end and just make a 8-sided taper. We'll start with square, then work to octagon, and then that'll be it. Top part, all we're going to do is just grind off the top part right here. Make it easy for us to strike it with the hammer. So now we'll start to work in on our point. So now we're just going to put a taper on it, and we'll take that out to a really fine point, square it, octagon it, and then round it, and then we'll be ready to grind it. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and put the point on it, do the initial grind, and then we'll take it back over to the forge and quench it, and then we'll do a final grind, finish it off, and we'll be done. So here we have it. Our center punch is completed. We hardened and tempered it, so it's all ready to go to be used. And as always, we have a biblical reference to do it. And today, our biblical reference comes out of Proverbs 3:5-6. And it says, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and do not lean on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him, and he will make your paths straight. So the goal and the idea of that verse is to always keep God, always keep Christ at the center of your life. And that's exactly what the punch is supposed to do, is find the center and mark where the center of the piece that you want to work is. So thank you guys so much for watching. We appreciate all the support you guys have shown us on the channel. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're alerted every single time we have new content coming out. Check us out for our Thursday night live streams every Thursday at 6 p.m. And also, like you're watching our Monday morning tool video every Monday morning at 9 a.m. Thank you guys so much again. Take care and God bless. We'll see you on the next one.